friends, this is Sharmi with the Amateur Gardener. I'm doing a few isolated things today, and one of the most important things I'm doing is potting up my geraniums. I am going to be keeping it on my patio, so it's more in the shady portion. These were all grown from seeds. So I got the seeds from Swallowtail seeds. They are Maverick geraniums, and the two colors, one's white and one's coral colored. And so I'm going to be potting them up in like pots, and planning. I have 30 of them, and I am going to be doing like 8 in each of the big pots, and I have a small one too. We'll put 6 in that. So let's see how that goes. It's very satisfying actually to plant things from seed and actually put up nice decorative pots and see how it goes. So we filled it up with soil, and I'm just trying to alternate a white with a coral. I think I may have more corals than white, but we'll see. If you look at it, the coral ones have actually a nice coloration in the center of the leaves. So I don't know if I have equal numbers of both, but we'll try. Okay, that's one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then, oh, I actually have more whites than corals. 1, 2, okay. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. here we are. Just wanted to give you a view of what we did so far. These are all my seed geraniums, and I have one, two, get rid of that bag, and three, and four. This area gets part sun, I would say some morning sun, but then it gets shade of the house. So I kept it here so far. Wanted to give you a view of the Rebecca. There you go. I have several here. It's like all going to be bursting into blooms soon. Okay, but I'm so happy that I could actually do this from like seeds and not like buy flowers or plants. Um, so hopefully you'll like the video. If you did, please do hit a like and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.